What is poke in Facebook? What does it mean when someone pokes you on Facebook? So let's get started. Now, poke in Facebook is a feature which is a way to interact with friends. Here, the meaning of poke is somewhat ambiguous and can be based on the context and relationship between the users. So there are a few interpretations of what a poke might mean. First one is attention grabbing. A poke can be used to get someone's attention, and it is a way of saying hey or hello without sending a full message. Another one may be friendly gesture. Some users use pokes as a friendly gesture similar to a virtual wave or a nod to say hello. Or the third one might be reminder. A poke can serve as a reminder that you are waiting for a response or interaction from the other person. And the last one might be playful interaction, which can be a playful and a light-hearted way to interact with friends. So whenever you poke someone on Facebook or if you receive a notification saying poked you on Facebook, it simply means that someone has used these features to interact with you. The specific intent behind the poke depends upon the relationship and the context. So that is what the poke means on Facebook. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you. And if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment, and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.